How to answer and decline calls by Siri on iPhone device. First of all, let's go into the Settings app and make sure that the Siri has been enabled. Once you're into the Settings app, scroll all the way down until you see Siri and Search. Tap on it to open and make sure that the three toggles are turned on. The three toggles being Listen for Hey Siri, Press Side button for Siri, and Allow Siri when locked. Now once that is done, we can go back to the Settings menu and click on the Accessibility button. And once we're inside, scroll all the way down until you see the Siri section. Now since you're in, scroll all the way down until you find the Call Hang Up. Now make sure that you click on it and turn the toggle on. And that's it. This is how to answer and decline calls by Siri on iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.